You've made it through the full journey of assessing opportunities and priorities for restoration. From identifying degraded ecosystems to selecting priority areas to tackling the drivers of degradation head-on. Here's what we hope you are taking away. Restoration planning isn't just about where to act. It's about understanding why ecosystems are degrading in the first place, and carefully deciding what your restoration targets are. Effective strategies go beyond good intentions. They need a clear analysis of drivers, realistic prioritization, and the right tools and incentives to shift behaviors and systems. Now it's time to put your knowledge to the test. Complete the final test to check your understanding of the full journey. Once you pass, you'll be able to download your certificate of completion. Good luck, and thank you for being part of the global restoration movement.